So ByteDance just gave Seedance 2.5 early access to a lot of testers, and it seems like this model is far more insane than anyone could have imagined. And today I am going to show you some of the best examples of videos created using Seedance 2.5, which will completely blow your mind and actually show you the true ability of this model, and we are also going to talk about when you will be able to use it. Alright, so here are a few Seedance 2.5 examples by a user named Marsfortech who got early access. So these are all official clips showing off what Seedance 2.5 can do. So first, let's take a look at this specific video right here.
First stop, choose the right place. Stop efficiently, guys. Top fire, cheers. Break it tussle, let's get it, pull it down home. Alright, 3-bit Akira Hunt.
Table 9, let's go! I need it hot! 2 minutes, chef!
Okay, so this was a really good clip. Everything here looked excellent and quite realistic. The only problem with the video is that right near the start, if you pause on this frame, what the hell is the man cutting here? There is no knife in his hand, and there are absolutely no vegetables on the table, so the man is basically just punching the table really fast. But aside from that hilarious glitch, I think this specific video was very cinematic and very good. Moving on, this next video features a slow zoom in on a woman's face.
You're really here. You're actually here.
Now this one has a lot less movement than that first clip I just showed you. It is very cinematic, and honestly it looks like footage straight out of a film. The conversation between the guy and the woman feels pretty realistic too, but because the overall pacing is a bit slow, I think this is a fairly mediocre generation for Seedance 2.5. I mean, it's a nice generation overall, but nothing too crazy. Next up, we have a user named Kendoni who says he got exclusive early access to Seedance 2.5, and he tried to create this video. The video is around 25 seconds long, and he basically tried to change the environment in the background 6 different times. Let's watch this one first. Now this video is actually insane. The motion here is pretty fluid. In some places we can spot a bit of distortion, but that's to be expected from these high movement scenes. Also, right near the ending, the facial expressions of the character are just so natural and expressive. That is insanely good for filmmaking, as facial expressions are a very important part of actually conveying emotion. So this was a pretty mind-blowing generation from Seedance 2.5 in my opinion. And here is another Seedance 2.5 video example from that same person. The video you are seeing right now is good, but it is not quite as impressive as the previous one that we just saw. It goes to show, even if the AI model is incredibly powerful, if your prompt is mediocre, you're going to get a mediocre video generation. Here is another cinematic video from Seedance 2.5.
We made it. I really didn't think we would.
Now, for this specific scene, I think the video quality is pretty great, but there really isn't much going on. One thing in particular here that is absolutely insane is the raw emotion and the facial expressions the character is showing. It is genuinely impressive, and here are a few more official video examples of Seedance 2.5. These are straight from Volcano Arc, so we know for a fact that these are official showcases. Now, for the first example, example, I want to show you this continuous 30-second video. Here we actually get to see the exact prompt these guys used for creating the video. It is a very long prompt. You can pause the video and read it if you want. They also provided all the background images and scenes. So to get a good video result like this using Seedance 2.5, you definitely need to put a lot of effort into the prompt you provide. They provided 8 reference images along with this long specific prompt, and after doing all that work, they got this exact output. As you can see, this video is very impressive, and I think that it can rival a very expensive actual studio production. Next, here's an example of a product review and advertisement video. As you can see, the prompt is also very long and very complex. They used reference images, which we can use with Seedance 2.5 to specifically guide and direct our scenes exactly how we want. They specified a lot of image references here, and from all of that data, they got this specific video.
首先，安装水箱。接下来将托盘对准底部导轨。
The audio in this video is in Chinese, but you can imagine just how high the video quality is, especially with the character interaction. Also, there are no distortions in the video, which is pretty good. Honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell, and I think most people wouldn't be able to tell whether this is a real video or an AI-generated one. And here's a commercial video for a biscuit. As you can see, they provided a lot of video and image references to create a specific type of motion. This means you can take inspiration from other videos and use them in Seedance 2.5 to copy their exact camera movements. They also provided a reference image for the specific biscuit here, on which the model is going to base the scene, and this is the video that we get. As you can see, the model took reference from all the motion inspiration they provided along with the styles, and created a really beautiful video based on what was given to it. I think this looks like at least a $10,000 commercial, from my perspective. So as you can tell, Seedance 2.5 is really good when you provide the model with great prompts and actually direct it, instead of just letting it do whatever it wants. With Seedance 2.5, you're either going to get a great video or a mediocre video, completely depending on the prompt that you provide, and also as to exactly when the model is going to be released. Well, the current expected date is July 16th, which is very soon. I genuinely think this is going to be the official date, as there are a lot of news confirmations coming out stating that on July 16th, Seedance 2.5 will open full API access. This basically means that we will be able to use it on any generative AI platform. Now, there's no official pricing yet, so I can't tell you exactly how much this model is going to cost to run, but I do think it is going to be significantly more expensive than Seedance 2.0 simply because it has far more capabilities. Now, that is about it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.